just get ahead of it. Let's get in front of it and just say this is gonna obviously be a weird video that Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is the last official day of unboxing on my YouTube channel for the month of May. So really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome, I'm Drew, and unboxing time, I'm gonna say unboxing time because it's technically not box week anymore, is the best week every month on my channel. What am I saying? Like, hold on, that just, okay, let me go back. First of all, if you're brand new here and you're still here, what's up? Oh my God, okay, so I'm Drew. Obviously, you've gathered that I have issues with conversations with myself because, like, I'm alone right now. That's unsettling. And I have a hard time talking, so if you want to subscribe and just jump on in, this is going to be a weird video. Let's just get up front and just get ahead of it. Let's get in front of it and just say this is going to obviously be a weird video. That wasn't my intention. I was like going to come out here and I was going to be so professional. And then I was like, you know what? Just start talking and just go anywhere. So, tonight we're going to be unboxing 2 boxes on my YouTube channel. So last month we did like 4 boxes at once. This month we're going to do 2 boxes, but last month we did 4 boxes during one video. It was all Target boxes. This month I'm actually going to do a comparison video. I've never done an unboxing where I compare the contents of 2 boxes to each other. So recently I've been considering getting rid of one of my subscriptions. I've actually been considering either getting rid of Macy's, Allure, or Sephora Play. And so I'm going to be tonight kind of having Sephora Play versus Allure Beauty subscription box. Sephora Play is a $10 monthly subscription from Sephora, the company, and Allure is from Allure magazine. People, it's like $15 per month. So they're a little bit different in price point, but pretty similar in like products and stuff like that. And we're going to be putting items into our stockpile giveaway box, which is right here. If you're like, what's that? That's our stockpile giveaway. It's the 3rd one that we put together on my YouTube channel. Basically, we take items we get from my subscription boxes, and once the box is full, we just give it away. It might not get full this month, so if not, then we'll just stockpile June as well, and then we'll give it away. So, yay. All right, so I've never done a unboxing where I unbox more than one and whatever. So we're going to start actually tonight. I think we're going to start with Sephora Play. It's right here, but my address is all over the front of it. I'm trying to show you without showing my address. Oh my God, the drama. So I've got my handyman, Mr. John Wayne here. We're going to open up this box and just slice it open. Oh, I knocked the camera. That wasn't safe. Oh well, good thing I'm alone and still talking to myself. So every month they have a little booklet on the top that kind of gives you a theme type situation. I don't really know what the deal is for this one though. It's kind of weird. It's got like all kinds of little people and little cartoons. And then they always have this little card here. This is like my favorite thing about the Sephora Play box is that you get that card and it gives you 50 bonus reward points when you make a purchase in Sephora. So if you buy anything, even like something for like $1, you're gonna get 50 bonus beauty insider reward points. And then that goes towards your points total. And then you can get free stuff from Sephora. So there's that. And then every month they have a bag. So this is this month's bag. It's a nice denim bag with red straps. I actually like this bag. It gives me a very simplistic vibe. So my guess is that this month's box/bag thing is going to be a lot more of like basic type stuff, but I don't know. We'll see what's in there. And it used to be that Sephora Play, everyone, when it first started, everyone got the same items. Over the last like 6 months to a year, they've actually been switching it up so that everyone gets variations in different boxes and stuff like that. So based off of like my profile and things like that. All right, so the first item that we got in here today is Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. That's actually a good item. It's a little bit small, I guess, in my opinion. We're giving out a primer. That's one thing with Sephora Play is like the samples are like tiny, and a lot of issues I have with them often are that I feel like they give out products that you can get as a gift with purchase on a regular basis. So very rarely do we get items where we're like, oh my gosh, they're totally like, could not get that unless like I had the subscription. So this is gonna go in the giveaway box because I actually just got some primer in the BoxyCharm box, and so I'm good on primer for a while. The next item that we have is a fragrance called Nomad or Nomade by Chloe. You guys know how I feel about fragrances and how much I love them. I actually don't, but I'm going to smell this now. It smells like a apple pie that hasn't been cooked enough. Oh, no, that's getting stronger. It doesn't smell good. Oh my God. Why did I spray it so close to me. Now it's like, it's near me now. Okay, so I'm not really a fan of that. That's gonna probably not stay here. The next item that we have is Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying Zinc and Copper Mask. So this is a mask. They've never really done anything like this before from like the Sephora brand. This is a good, generous size mask. I'm gonna put that in the giveaway box too, because you guys know I have a million face masks in my face mask collection. One day I might just show you all the face masks I have stocked up, because I feel like it would just be fun for you guys to see that. So that's gonna go in the giveaway box. Next item that we have is Diva Curl It's That Good Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler. Diva Curl is a great brand for curly hair. I'm gonna keep this for the days when I do my hair curly. And the next item that we have, oh, 2 items, oh my gosh. Marc Jacobs mascara. Funny enough, I have one of these in my makeup bag that I've been using recently, so that's gonna go into the giveaway box as well. And a Kat Von D tattoo liner, a black eyeliner. I'm gonna keep that. So actually, I'm pretty impressed with this box. They did a pretty good job. The mascara is something that I feel like wasn't really a big deal to get, because you can get mascara samples on a regular basis. But the hair cream, I really think is a great item to give out. The mask, I think, is great, as well as the eyeliner. And so a few of those items are going in the giveaway box, so I'm not going to put those in there just yet, because we're going to be comparing the Allure Beauty box. This is so weird for me doing this. I don't know how this is supposed to go. So, all right, next we have Allure Beauty. This box this month feels really, really heavy. So I feel like this is probably going to be kind of taking the cake for this just based off of the weight of the box, but that doesn't actually mean that it's quality products. It could just be a bunch of heavy rocks, you know what I'm saying? Like something that doesn't matter. All right, so inside the box, they always have a little mini magazine. Now, if you open this up, you'll be able to see inside and see all the products you got. I'm not gonna open it because it would ruin the element of surprise. But opening this up here, all right, so the first thing I pulled out is Melting Lip Powder, Long-Lasting Matte Lip and Cheek Tint from Klee Cosmetics. So this is really very weird. Also, I want to point out that this is really, I don't know if you guys can actually tell, but the cap is really scuffed up. I don't know, just think. I'm not really wearing much lipstick right now, and I just have so much curiosity about this. So I'm actually just going to put this on right now. We'll just see what happens with this. Okay. Oh, that's creepy. Oh, that's creepy! Oh my gosh, it goes on like cold wet, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the weirdest thing ever. This is weird. This is a new weird for me. Oh my God. I've been getting a lot of weird products for lips this month. Have you noticed that? I don't know. Okay. Oh my God. I'm feeling it though. Wow, they just came out the gate with something that was just like an oh my God product. Okay, so far, Allure Beauty, we see you. All right, next item that we have is Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray. It helps tame frizz. This is going to go into our giveaway box because we haven't had enough hair products, I feel like, in the giveaway box this month, so that's going to go in there. Also, a good product. Impressive. All right. Next, we have St. Tropez One Night Only Gloss. Instant Highlight Shine Effect Finishing Gloss. Ooh, this is like a finishing gloss product. I'm actually going to try this right now and see. I'm always intrigued by products like this. It has a little thing on it. I gotta get it off. That's the real struggle, is me opening products. Really, it's like, it doesn't matter what's actually in the box. It's can I get to it? You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, we gave you this, but you can't open it, so it doesn't really matter. All right, put it in. Oh my gosh, that's dark. Whoa, that is dark. All right, let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna have a nice tan hand, to tell you that much. I'm gonna do the other one, so at least I have 2 matching beautifully tan hands. Okay. Wow. I don't know. Am I tan now? Did I just get a tan? I don't know how I feel about this. I think it's maybe get a tan later. Honestly, I didn't think this through whatsoever, but I've already gone into it, so we're already there. All right. It kind of just gives me like a high shine finish. I feel like I might just put on a sunless tanner, which means I'm probably going to get tan throughout this video, which will be fun. So there's that happen. All right, next we have Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smooth Primer Moisturizer. Ooh, so this is like a moisturizing skin primer. I'm going to put that in the giveaway box too, so whoever wins it has some priming options. And next we have a couple things from Allure Beauty. Ooh, Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Ooh, these look really fun. They're gold too. You know what? I'm going to keep one. I'm going to put one in the giveaway. So we each get one. That's exciting. Oh my God, yay. I'm excited to try these. So one to me, one to the giveaway. And finally, we have this. It says Beauty Loot. And it looks like it is L'Oreal Elnett Satin Extra Hold Hairspray. So this box is actually a little bit weird to me. I I don't know if I feel like it has like a theme to it or not. It's kind of a little bit disjointed. It's got like a couple hairspray items, and then it's got good products, don't get me wrong. You know, honestly, it's probably, my guess is more of a traveling box, because they've got the under eye mask, they've got the like sunless tanner. Yeah, this hand's looking tan now. Oh, that was kind of a dumb choice of mine, but we're already here, so I'm just gonna have a dark hand for the day. I'm about it. I'll live with it. So I'm guessing it's more probably like a traveling themed style box. So overall, I like it. So compared to the Sephora Play, I feel like Sephora Play gave out a couple of maybe more higher quality items. Like Diva Curl is a much higher quality hair company line. As well as they gave out the Kat Von D eyeliner. But in terms of like products and trying things, I feel like Allure Beauty kind of won on that end. So honestly, this is kind of hard. I can't really say which box I feel like is better. For me, I guess I would have to actually say I feel like the better box of the two is the Allure Beauty, simply because I received a lot of products that I have not tried or seen really on the market before, and things that I would be interested to try but maybe not purchase. The Sephora Play box was kind of more items that I have tried that I know are solid, so there's not really any risk involved there as much as with the Allure Beauty. So, I don't know. All right, so really quickly, I'm not going to do like a full recap of everything. Well, I kind of will, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put stuff in the giveaway box as I'm like clearing the boxes. So, in the giveaway box, and was one of the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and I'm keeping one. We're putting in the L'Oreal Elnet Hairspray. That is going in the giveaway box also. The Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray is also going in the giveaway box. I'm keeping this weird tanning stuff. Yeah, this hand's getting a bit dark. Oh well. I'm obviously keeping this lip stuff because I put it on, but I kind of love it, so there's that. Also, it's really not matte. It's really hydrating. It's really freaking me out right now. We're also putting in the HelloFab Coconut Skin Primer into the giveaway box. We're going to be keeping the Diva Curl. This is from the Sephora Play box. No, I should say that. That was the Allure box. So we're going to be putting in the Diva Curl It's That Good Super Cream. I'm keeping that. We're putting into the giveaway box the Sephora Mask for Clay. That's going into the giveaway box. And we're going to be putting in the Hourglass Primer. I'm getting rid of that perfume that we got from Chloe. Girl, what's up with your scent choices? Just gonna say it. We're gonna be putting in the Marc Jacobs mascara into the giveaway box, and I'm gonna keep the Kat Von D eyeliner. So our giveaway box is looking pretty full. I don't know. I honestly kind of want to keep filling it up. I feel like there's not really like a lot of makeup in there this month so far. There's a lot of like cool products, but I really like to make sure that it has makeup. There's a lot of body stuff, but we didn't really get any eyeshadow. There's only a couple lipsticks in here. So I'm gonna wait to give this one away until next month, just because I want to fill it up a little bit more. I want whoever wins to really get like some good loot. Like last month we had a lot more boxes, so we had a lot more items to put in. This month we didn't have as many boxes, so we didn't get to fill it up. But I'm pretty sure next month we'll be filling it up and giving it away. If you're like, hey, how do I win that? When it comes time for the stockpile giveaway to be given away, I will actually just post a video online that tells you how to enter. One thing I will tell you, you do have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, obviously. But that's actually it. So that's all. Wait, that's it for this video. And then that's it for that conversation. So also in the comments, let me know if you ever want me to do this again. The comparing the boxes thing. I feel like it was fun, but also just kind of weird. I got kind of lost in there. But that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew on, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you very, very soon for some more videos about stuff, my life, things like that. All right, and it's also been an amazing box week, month, time, boxing time, unboxing time. All right, talk to you. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. All right, next one is called Boy Boang Baked Corn. So apparently they're all about like the baked corn style items. All right, here we go.